Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making fruit mochi. Mochi comes in many forms, but this is a relatively new style even for us. Any fruit can be a filling, but I recommend using a tangy fruit to make a good contrast with mochi. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. You can use both Mochiko or Shiratamako. Today I'm using Shiratamako. Whichever it is made from sticky rice or glutinous rice. And I am using a white bean paste today, but you can use azuki bean paste instead. Both bean paste makes the delicious fruit mochi. I have video for how to make white bean paste and azuki bean paste, so check that out. Let's start preparing the fruit. Rinse your strawberries quickly and cut off the stem. Peel off the kiwi fruit and cut into two. If the excess moisture is still remain on the fruit, it's not easy to work with, so pat dry the moisture with the kitchen towel. Peel the mandarin orange by your hand and remove the pulp as much as possible to improve the texture. Now let's wrap the fruit with the white bean paste. Place your white bean paste on plastic wrap and shape into a cylinder. This is 200 grams of white bean paste, and when you cut into 10, it's going to make 10-20 gram white bean paste. This size is for strawberries. Take the white bean paste on your palm and wrap the strawberries. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just wrap around the fruit with the white bean paste. White bean paste has mild sweetness and it makes a perfect combination with the mochi. And you will need more white bean paste for Mandarin or Mikan, and kiwi fruit it's about 30 to 35 grams. Mikan is a little bit dry, so it's not sticking to it, but take your time to wrap around. Kiwi fruits are a little bit slippery, so be sure to pat dry the excess moisture beforehand. This is how I do. Hold your fruit on your palm and just pour the white bean paste alongside with the fruit little by little while rotating the fruit. All the fruits are ready and set aside while we are making the mochi. Before making the mochi, dust your tray with the cornstarch. Put your shiratamako and water in the frying pan. Mix well until it makes a smooth paste. Shiratamako has a chunk, so mix very well at this stage before start cooking. It looks like a little bit dry, but do not add any water. Add sugar and turn the heat to medium-low, constantly stirring, and when it starts curdling, stir vigorously until it becomes one lump. Cook until it looks translucent, about 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the heat, and mochi is stretchy like this, and it is shiny and a little bit translucent. It is a good mochi dough. Transfer to a prepared tray. While still hot, shape into a log. cut into about 30 grams and stretch it with your fingers and cover the prepared strawberries. Stretch the mochi with your dusted finger and pinch to seal the end. And take a little bit larger mochi on your hand and stretch into 10 cm in diameter and put the prepared kiwi fruit on top and wrap around with the mochi like this. Hold the mochi and put fruit right on top on your palm and stretch the mochi along the fruit and pinch to seal the end. And do the same to Mikan, Mandarin orange. And this one had a little bit too much mochi, so pinch to remove the excess mochi. Make sure working on the mochi while still warm, because if the mochi is cool, it's not stretchy like this. And do not change the sugar ratio. Traditional ratio is 2 parts sugar and 1 part Shiratamako or Mochiko. It makes a melt in your mouth texture, but I want to make it less sugar content, so I reduce the sugar by half. This is the minimum amount of sugar content. We have many mochi recipes and a different ratio makes the totally different texture and taste. It's the beauty of Japanese cooking. Let's see how it looks like inside. Mochi has a sticky texture and the fruit adds the freshness to it, and it makes a very special dessert. March the 3rd is Japanese Girls Festival. This is the good sweet to celebrate the Girls' Day. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!